The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom glides onto the scene not with a roar, but with the profound, almost unsettling silence that has become its signature. It remains the undisputed apex predator of the automotive luxury world, a fortress of solitude on wheels, meticulously refined for the modern era while fiercely guarding the timeless essence that defines the marque. The visual presence is monumental and instantly recognizable. The Pantheon grille stands even prouder, now subtly illuminated with a soft, ethereal glow at night, flanked by the piercing, laser-sharp headlights that cut through darkness with effortless authority. Every panel speaks of immense, deliberate substance. The hand-polished stainless steel accents gleam with a depth unmatched by lesser metals, and the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy figurine, now available with illuminated base options, continues her graceful voyage atop the colossal bonnet, a beacon of exclusivity. Bespoke paint options reach new levels of artistry, from impossibly deep metallics to intricate two-tone schemes that seem to shift hue with the passing light, ensuring no two phantoms are ever truly identical. Step inside, and the world outside ceases to exist. The 2025 Phantom redefines the sanctuary concept. The cabin is a masterpiece of material science and old-world craftsmanship. Acres of the finest, ethically sourced leathers, available in near-infinite bespoke colors, envelop occupants. Open-pore wood veneers, meticulously book-matched across vast swaths of the dashboard, doors, and rear consoles, showcase nature's artistry, some even featuring intricate inlays of precious metals or stone commissioned for the individual owner. The atmosphere is hushed beyond belief. Hundreds of kilograms of sound-deadening material, including layers within the double-glazed windows and within the very structure of the tires, create an acoustic bubble rivaling a professional recording studio. This silence is the ultimate luxury, allowing the faintest whisper or the intricate details of the bespoke audio system, featuring speakers seamlessly integrated into the very architecture of the cabin, to be appreciated in pure, undisturbed clarity. The Starlight headliner, a Rolls-Royce signature, evolves further. Constellations can now be programmed to specific dates and locations meaningful to the owner, and even shooting stars can be requested to traverse the celestial canopy overhead, adding a touch of personalized magic. Technology in the 2025 Phantom is omnipresent yet utterly subservient to the experience. A redesigned digital instrument cluster hides discreetly behind traditional analog-style dials until summoned. The central infotainment screen, elegantly framed within the expansive gallery dashboard, a space now offering even more elaborate, owner-curated artworks or unique displays behind glass, is controlled via a refined rotary controller on the center console or intuitive touch. Everything operates with a sense of weighty, deliberate precision. Rear passengers command the theater. Deep pile lambswool footrests, individual massaging functions with near-infinite adjustment, ventilated and heated seats, and individual entertainment screens integrated into the backs of the electrically adjustable front seats are standard. The rear center console houses comprehensive controls for climate, media, and privacy settings, while the iconic champagne cooler, complete with Rolls-Royce crystal flutes, remains an opulent staple. Connectivity is seamless, with 5G capability, multiple wireless charging pads, and comprehensive digital services, all presented through an interface designed for intuitive, effortless use without overwhelming the serene ambience. Underneath the vast bonnet lies an evolution of the magnificent 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, a monument to effortless power. While whispers of electrification swirl around the industry, Rolls-Royce remains steadfast for the Phantom in 2025, focusing on refining this legendary powertrain. Output figures remain suitably colossal, estimated around 600-plus horsepower and mountains of torque, but the emphasis is entirely on delivery. Power arrives in a relentless, silent wave, propelling the near 3-ton Leviathan forward with astonishing, almost imperceptible urgency. The magic lies in the utter lack of strain or noise intrusion. The satellite-aided transmission, utilizing GPS data to pre-select the optimal gear for the upcoming terrain, works in concert with sophisticated air suspension featuring cameras that scan the road ahead and proactively adjust damping. The result is the legendary, magic carpet ride, isolating occupants from the vulgarities of the outside world with near supernatural ability. Cornering is flat, controlled, and utterly composed, defying physics and expectations of a vehicle of this size and mass. Owning a 2025 Phantom transcends mere transportation, it's an entry into an exclusive realm of unparalleled craftsmanship and personal expression. The Bespoke program reaches new heights, allowing clients to commission virtually any conceivable feature, material, or design element, limited only by imagination and, of course, feasibility and regulatory approval. From embedding a fragment of a favorite painting into the woodwork to matching the leather to a specific shade of lipstick, the car becomes a deeply personal heirloom. This level of exclusivity comes at a price befitting its stature, well into the mid-six-figure range before extensive bespoke touches are even considered. It exists for the tiny fraction of the global population for whom the best is the only acceptable standard, and cost is truly no object. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom is not merely a car, it is the ultimate rolling statement of achievement, a peerless blend of traditional artisanship and cutting-edge technology, engineered to cocoon its occupants in near-silent, vibration-free, supremely comfortable luxury. It reaffirms, without a shadow of a doubt, that the Phantom remains the undisputed standard by which all other luxury automobiles are judged, a majestic presence designed not just to travel, but to transcend.